Super Nintendo World, dude. We just got into the park and everything has like Mario, Luigi, Princess Peach stuff. It's actually crazy. So we did get our tickets. We actually had to get USJ tickets and then extra tickets to get a wait time for the Nintendo park. But thank God we got them. So we'll be going there very soon. Look at us. I got me a Luigi hat. And yeah.
I got a Luigi mustache.
There's some more of the bands. We haven't gotten them yet, actually. I'm Daisy. Stop it. He's gonna use his phone app to scan his band, the QR code on his band, and yeah, it'll register you to the app. Let's go. Oh, look at this, guys. Depending on what angle you're looking at it from, it changes. Oh my God. Are you crying yet?
Oh my gosh, yes.
There's the cafe down there. Kinopio's Cafe. If you don't know, Kinopio is the Japanese name for Toad.
The Mario Kart. Let's go Mario Kart.
All right, we're Mario Karting. The wait's not long, so. There's so many noises. Konnichiwa. Wow. All of the workers make you do the Mario pose. It's really funny. There's Bowser's Castle right there. There you go. That's how you get some points. Oh, you're out of points. Okay, my turn. Oh no.
You gotta go further. There you go.
There we go.
There you go.
Oh, I really gotta hit it. All right, we're going into Bowser's Castle right now, which is a ride. So I won't be able to hold the camera, but I'll let you know how it is. Even if you're standing in line at the rides, guys, like inside is so cool. Lots of things to take pictures of, lots of things to see. But as you can see, we're just going, guys. If the line was long, I wouldn't even complain. They gave us these hats. I don't know, what are the hats for? I did not read the
virtual goggles will go on them.
Goggles click on. Oh, this is a virtual
So
thing.
what you're going to be doing is you're going to be driving around, and you're also going to be getting items to get 100 coins and also knock things. I think it's like a Mario vs. Bowser thing.
Oh my God, we just got out of there. That was an adrenaline rush, unlike any other. At the end of the Mario Kart ride, it brings you to like a Mario Kart themed shop, which is really cool and has stuff that I haven't seen in the other shops yet. The official Super Nintendo World shirts are so cool. Are you getting magnets?
Yeah.
These are cute.
And then the Luigi one that's got Super Nintendo World. Like
oh, nice. Fans would be so good in the summer. In fact, they'd be good now. So I just went back on the app and I got my trophy for the Mario Kart thing. Welcome, this is your stamp book. Collect stamps in the park to commemorate your adventure. So you get, I don't have any yet, I think. Well, I have this one, the block. Punch any question mark block. This stamp celebrates your first punch and can be earned only once. Oh, cool, and it shows you when it was earned and everything. App and the wristbands are super fun. I highly recommend doing that. Everyone's all decked out. Konnichiwa. Oh, arigato. The people are very nice. They're very happy that you're wearing the stuff. Probably because that makes them money. So this over here is the entrance to what I think they're going to make into like a Donkey Kong land. So it's closed, but man, who knows what could be behind that door. Also, if you come over here, you can find wee little Pikmin. You see them? They're just chilling. I totally want to do those little Yoshi rides later. They're so cool. Right now we're at the Toad restaurant. We're gonna eat some Super Mario themed foods. Alright guys, here's the main menu for the Toad restaurant. I think that the teriyaki chicken and superstar rice actually looks really good. I love the design of it too. I just think it looks good.
I just found out this Luigi's thing. I thought it was guacamole. It's green curry. And
Oh
that's
wow.
pretty hype.
That does sound good.
Oh, there's the burger. The burger looks really good too though.
Yeah, the Mario's burger.
bacon burger.
The pastas all look good. Honestly, everything. They have pizza and salad too. What
There's
part of this is
bowl.
pizza?
It's a pizza bowl.
It's a pizza bowl.
Yeah,
Oh, that's
awesome.
cute.
So this is the Princess Peach cake from like the end of Super Mario 64 that Mario is supposed to get.
Yeah.
So I think we should definitely get that one.
And then split it.
And then split
3 to
between
4
all four of-
people.
Yeah. I think that's perfect. So I'm thinking I'm gonna get maybe the Mario bacon cheeseburger.
Okay.
And also the super
Also
mushroom
that.
pizza bowl. And then the superstar.
I forgot
lemon
about the
squash.
drinks. Ooh, hot yuzu lemonade. That sounds good. I'm gonna get the Luigi's green curry chicken sandwich. The decor is so cute too while waiting. I love this. Oh yeah, dude, the receipts are Mario. Our number is Mario looking. Andrew, what number did you
I
get?
got Nintendo 64.
That's so lucky.
And then I got the drink.
What's the drink?
It's the lemon like superstar squash.
Uh-huh.
It's got like the little sour ball things in it.
Oh, tanzobi desu. This is the Mario burger. This is the Luigi burger with, the chicken burger with green curry. That's what it is. French fries. I think yours is a grilled chicken too?
Teriyaki chicken.
Oh, teriyaki chicken with rice. And then of course you also got the
Pizza
burger.
bowl.
Oh yeah, this is a pizza bowl, dude.
Dear friends, I poured my heart into this cake I baked for you. I hope you enjoy it. Yours truly, Peach. Happy birthday.
Oh, tanjobi omedetou.
Great spot.
Wow. Okay guys, next we're doing the Yoshi's Adventure Ride. And this one is one I'm really looking forward to. It's just like a nice slow ride around the park. There's more Pikmin up there. I love Toadette. She's probably my favorite character, so I'm happy that she has some representation here at this ride. Yeah, we got the red Yoshi. I don't know what these do. The eggs. Oh, it makes noise. It makes noise. Listen. Here we go. This is gonna be my favorite ride. Woohoo! Yeah! There's Peach's castle over there. Not the piranha plant. So pretty. This is my favorite ride so far. Ah, what do we do? What if we're stuck on the ride forever?
Wow. Hold the seat more firmly. The ride's going to begin soon.
Ah! Going back in the tunnel.
Use this to pick which color you see.
Whoa. on this ride, you've got to click the egg when you find it. So, yeah, there's the red one. So I got to push the red egg and I win the prize, which is your pride. Look at that.
What?
Look at him, dude. Oh, he's fat. Oh, man. Look at him go. Captain Toad. Alright guys, so the Yoshi ride was super fun. It's very relaxing and just takes you around the park to look at everything. We're going to go into a gift shop and see what we can find. I knew a lot of people online thought that these Mario Warp pipes were cool. They also have golden mushrooms too. What are these, little boxes? Maybe it's a handkerchief. Oh, it's a handkerchief. Okay. Do you guys need undies? I love these. They're just like cookie tins with a bunch of cookies and chocolates in them. Oh, the plushies are cool. I love the bob-ombs so much. I forget how much I love the bob-ombs. I think I just love them more after watching Alan play through Paper Mario Origami King. Bobby, that's his name. Oh, I love him. These are the Mario statues that people were like super into. So yeah, these are limited edition. You can only get them here. And I don't know, maybe for a certain amount of time, but you can walk them and stuff, or at least this one. This one you can just like walk. How cute! What does this do? What does he do? He shakes. Oh, he goes, one, which is like his barking thing. Ooh, check these out. The Toad one is adorable. So Alan got the blooper card holder to hold his card for the train. Oh, are you getting a cup?
Yeah, I think I am. It's only $1,500, so.
You're getting the shirt?
And the shirt, yeah.
Yeah, cool. Princess Peach herself has her own section of goods. The crown is cute. Ring and pillow set. Bowser Jr. is cool looking too. Yeah. Got his bib and everything. You know what they don't have? They don't have Toadette. So for almost $400 US, you can get this giant plushie set. And it is limited item. It's limited 3 per person. And I guess it's just like, in years and years and years, this is probably going to be worth a lot. At this popcorn place, you can get the Star and Mario Kart popcorn buckets.
It's caramel peach.
Ooh. Oh, good. Nice. Nintendo World in Osaka, Japan. I had a lot of fun. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I had so much fun here. If you have any questions for me, feel free to put them in the comments section and I will do my best to answer any questions that may arise. Don't forget to like this video if you like it, subscribe for more Japan and anime fun, and I'll play with you some other time. Bye!